So this is how it looks now. Now I fixed almost everything. This is the plate, and this is how it looks now. Everything's still messy here, but in the next time I will finish everything. So nice. This is all the things. This is how they look. Nice. So now this is how it looks after mounting. This is the x-axis. You can see how it looks now. You have this core, this Cartesian printer. So we have this. For the x-axis, we have this. For the y-axis, you see, with the bell, you can push it here, and then we have this for the z-axis. To type, and here we will put the bed. We will set the bed. The bed should be here, made on glass. But now the thing that I want to do is to fix the electrical component. So we have this. This is the main board. We have this. This is the power supplier. So 60 amp, 60.5 amps, 25 volts. So it will be enough to power all the CNC machine, because we will use a lot of stepper motor with a lot of devices. The bed is also a big bed. We need to provide enough current for the bed to hit the bed. So now, and the extruder is also dual extruder, so we also take a lot of current. Now, yeah, this is what I have. I also have this security switch. So to switch and to make the machine safe. Yeah. This is what I want to fix now. I got some wire. This is the stepper wire. I got the component that I have to fix today. So now let us start. Maybe we fix together, or I will show you after how it looks after fixing all this thing. So this is how it looks. Now I can keep here, so you can see by yourself. This now it look very beautiful now, but after doing this, all those steps, it will be more beautiful. Now the thing that I want to do, I will do it step by step. So every day I do something for that. Yeah. So see you in 5 minutes. So now I fix. So the next one, join all the together. Yeah. solid. Solid. The last one. Almost too big. Yeah, some more dimension. So everything inside. Just cut the head. Cut the head. So to make it smaller, reduce. Oops. You fix here. So it's very important to know here is calm, not high and fast. So always know to put a fixed count first. Count, yeah. So this is a count. The last one should be the same level. Yeah, something like this. Count first. Use the screws for the count. Never make the mistake to change the position. Damage everything.